Hey everyone, it's Donna. Okay, here we go. This is box number 105. Okay, if I buy everything in this box, it would be $309. With the if you buy all 5 items, you get a 25% discount, which would bring it down to $231.75 plus tax. So about $250, something like that. Anyway, let's go through the box. I had to ask for athletic wear, and here's a few things that they sent to me. This is from, let's find my glasses here. Lisa is her name. She's a new stylist for me. Pull my hair back. And I'll show you just what she said. But I'll show you kind of what's in the box. Just take the pictures down. I got a little skirt or skort. That'll be interesting. And a sweater. There's a winter sweater, like a pullover, a vest type of sweater. So I thought that might be kind of fun. So fix my hair and let's get started. Where to begin? I've got 2 bundles here. So let's do the big bundle first because I think it's just one item. Okay, we haven't opened it up. I always do it with you guys every time. And let's take a look and see what it is. Let's tear this baby open. And this thing, what in the world? Are there 2 pieces here? There are 2. There are 2 vests in here. Oh, that's kind of cute. Look at that. It's a half zip. And the other one is just a sweater. And it is a half zip. Well, that's kind of different. Let's see what these are. Hang on. I'm a little bit intrigued. Okay. This first one, what company is that? Steve Madden Apparel. It's the Rowan 1/4 zip sweater in black, size small. And this thing is really thick. $89, but hey, the quality on this thing, let me show it to you. Very, very thick and very, I mean, I think this is going to be comfortable. And I'm going to do a try on because I'm going to show it to y'all. But that's kind of cool. I've got some things I could probably wear with that. The other is going to be, let's see what we got. Vigos. And this is the Juneux half zip sweater tank in black, $44. This is all my things are small. And this is kind of cool. I could actually see myself wearing this if I'm out playing some golf in this, it gets kind of cool when you're golfing sometimes. And it would be a cool little throw over. I've got some black golf clothes. That would be pretty well. So, okay, we have that. Then let's go to the next item. Then let's pull this sheet up. Oh, I ripped it open, but you saw me do it. Oh, that is so cute. Look at this. That's back. It's a little pleated skirt, and I think that would be adorable. And it's by Vigos. No? Let's see who this is by. A company I've never had before. VUORI. I don't want to torture it. It's the Halo Performance Skirt. And I like this. It's very soft. This little skirt is $68. And it has, I'm sure the shorts in it. Yeah. Check that out. Wow, that's kind of cute. That would be, I'm going to try it on with that with that little sweater. Then they have sent, what is this? A little coral colored. It's by Tribal, and I love their clothes. The Tribal, it's ELIA mini skirt in coral, size 4, $54. That's cute. That would also be cute with maybe that sweater. I don't know if that would, if this is too springy. I don't know. That's cute. Does it have the shorts? Yes, I can see the little shorts inside. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I kind of liking this box. I think they tried to send me some things because I have so much stuff with them. Now, this skirt is longer, but it's a high-waisted skirt. You can see it. So I got 3 little skirts this time. And it has side pockets, which is cool, because I am a diabetic and I could slide my pump or my phone into those side pockets. See that? It also has a zip, if you can see that right here inside of the pocket. And I'm sure it has shorts underneath of it. Yes, it does. So here are the shorts underneath of it. And this thing is by, I'm having some fun here, We Wander. And this is a Stitch Fix brand. So, whew, pull my hair back. I'm getting all flustered here. We Wander. It's the high-rise Emma recycled nylon skirt, $54. So, very cute. Does it have any back pockets to this thing? No. It's just and it's high-waisted. I like that. Because if I also wanted to wear an athletic top with this, that would be cute. That would be really cute with an athletic top. Okay, hang on, guys. I'm going to try some of this stuff on and see what happens. By the way, please subscribe, and I have an Adore Me lingerie box coming. It's on its way, so it could be here in probably 4 or 5 days. So please subscribe, and hang on. I'll be right back. And hit the like button. Hit that like button. Hang on. Okay, sorry about the lack of tan, you guys. But that'll be remedied. And you'll see my Dexcom right here. Okay, here's what I threw on. Okay. Summer is coming. I'll get a tan. I tan very quickly. But here's the skirt. I like it. I like the length of it. I think it would be fun to golf in. The sweater, I threw it on with a little golf shirt I had. So I thought, okay, throw on my little golf shoes, and I'm ready. If it's a little cooler, I could put a long sleeve golf shirt. And I thought about doing that, but I just wanted to see what it would look like with a short one, just if I wanted just to get break that, push of wind sometimes that you just need something to cover you. So anyway, here's the first outfit. The sweater, the skirt. I like it. I'm thinking about it. I think I'm definitely going to keep this skirt. I can use this a lot. So, anyway, hang on. We'll be back in a second. Snap, I'm back. Okay. I don't think I like this skirt. I don't like the cut right here. I like my skirts is straight across. I like the pleating better on a skirt. I'm not sure. Now, the high waist, it would be cute if you had a little athletic top with it. But I think the length is just too long for me on this. It should be just about right up here is where I like my golf or athletic skirts to be. I like them about right there. So anyway, this is a no-go for me on this one. Hang on. I'll be back with the coral one and the big black sweater. Hang on. Okay, gosh, I'm getting tired of changing clothes. Okay, here's the coral little skirt. I kind of like it. I don't have this color. I think it's pretty. What do you think, you guys? And be honest. Tell me, do you think it's okay? Is it too long? Does it look funky? Is it a weird color? I mean, let me know what you think. I pulled out a couple. Now that doesn't really match, but I grabbed a couple different golf shirts. I thought I could wear it with maybe white or a peach or something like that. I don't know. I'm still thinking about this skirt. So we've got that big black sweater. Hang on. I'm just going to put it on with this. Hang on a second. Okay. I might like this sweater if it was spring. You know, with we're going into spring. And I feel like this is a winter sweater. I mean, it's very thick. Does it, you know, I don't know. If we were in December, November, October even, I might buy this sweater, but I have to be honest, you guys, it's a little thick, especially when I put it on with this coral skirt, or whatever we call it. I want something that's like, you know, I'm tired of wearing winter clothes. I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty much over it. And we've had enough snow, and I want spring clothing. So anyway, I like the little skirt that I tried on at the beginning. So I'll probably keep that. And I think probably everything else will go back. I really, you know, I've got to love something. Well, you guys know, we're limited in our closets, space, what we have. And when you get a certain age, it's kind of like, why do I have this when I don't wear it? In fact, I just cleaned out my closet the other day, and I thought, oh my, you know, for a church function. And I thought, you know, that's a lot of money that goes out a door. And these things were hardly worn. So anyway, what I can't talk my granddaughter into taking, because she says that she wants the crop tops and things like that, I have to donate. So I gotta like it. Let's just put it that way. Anyway, I'm going to stop for right now, and I hope that you will take a moment and please subscribe to me. I'm trying to build up my channel, and at the in about a week, I'll be doing another Adore Me lingerie unboxing, and I think I'm going to do a front door fashion as well, and we'll go from there. Anyway, you guys take it easy, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.